Love Show.
Hi, Hannah. Where are you
Going
going?
to New York.
What's your outfit? Oh, what's that? Like a jacket and then you have a pink bag? Why your outfit is like that? Is it warm outside or cold like a fridge?
It's cold like a fridge.
I like your shades. Wow, really? Say thank you very much, beautiful friends, for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Are you going to a beach? Because there's beach here.
No, I'm
Water.
going to New York.
New York? What will you do in New York?
I'm going to. Wait, no, I'm going to Italy.
Oh,
I'm going
really?
to eat the yummy pasta and spaghetti.
Wow. Where's your sister?
She's outside. She's
Mm.
going to New York too.
What's your favorite Tagalog food? Philippine food? What's your favorite?
My favorite is Senegal. And I need to catch up to the airport.
Sinigang only? What else aside from sinigang?
What?
What else aside from sinigang, sopas? What else?
And a dog.
Adobo? How about lumpia? You forgot lumpia.
Oh yeah, I love that.
Lumpia is what? Is it soft or crunchy?
Crunchy. I need to go to the airport now.
Okay, take care. We love you.
Let's eat. Thank you. She's cooking more all the time. She's Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Take care every day. We love you. We
We
love you.
love you.
Hannah to grow in my job. Thank you for the food that's before us, God. We thank you for everything you've given.
I'm starving.
The can would have told you. I know Joel has a plantation in Hawaii, but they also have a plantation in the Philippines.
What's plantation?
Hannah, where's your sister? Saan si Hannah? Hanapin natin. Sabihin natin may fish. Kasi may libre be. Pinost niya sa, yung parang Facebook group dito. Lilipat na sila. 1 month ago, hindi ko nakita yung post niya na kailangan niya ng parang, yung iiwan niya doon, yung fish. Wala pang nag-oo. Bakit ako pumapulong? Kasi yung kapitbahay ko maririnig ako. Wala pa nag-oo. Tapos sabi ko, uy, pwede bang kami nila? Goldfish daw, tapos 3 snails. Sabi niya, oo, sabi niya, buti na lang, nag-oo ka kasi nag-aalala ko kasi malapit na kami lumipat. Tatanungin ko siya mamaya pag hinatid niya 5 daw. Mahahatid niya dito sa bahay. Hannah, look. Are you excited? It's goldfish. Really? And she's eating a goldfish too. Pero yung darating, yun nga. Tapos, sabi niya, nag-aalala daw siya kasi she's thinking na who will own that fish nga. Mamaya tatanungin ko siya kung ilang months yun or year alive. Kasi biglang na-pressure ako kagabi kasi nung sinabi niya yun sa akin, my gosh, I hope this fish will be alive to me like for a few months or years. Kasi kapag hindi, nahiya ako sa kanya. So yun lang. Punta tayo dito kasi itong mga boxes, I'm going to throw it out. Yan. Kasi diba, kalat siya. So, papalitin natin siya. Tapos yung ibang trash. Kasi kakatapos ko lang I just finished washing the dishes. So, ito, I'm going to move this be. Saan ko kaya magandang ilagay ito? Baka dun sa plant area. Kasi, ito, cute. Colorful. Lipat natin. Kasi this is the bathroom. Here, downstairs. Parang, tinerno ko sila match na parang ganyan. Buti may nakita ko. Hindi siya mahal. Kaya, tsaka 3 years hindi na ako magpapalit kasi pag nagpalit ako ng design, so ibig sabihin, bibili na naman ako. Ayoko na Although, hindi naman ako, binibili ko, ginagamit ko yung card ko, tapos sasabihin ko sa papa nila, alam niya naman na for decor yun, kaya, yun. Hindi na ako magpapalit para tipid. Sige, magliligpit muna tayo. I'm just going to clear this up, put it outside. Okay, have a great day. We love you. Yan, Hannah is here. I showed you earlier, right? Ligpit pa ulit. Hi, Hannah! Si Hannah nakakatuwa, oh. Yung pag-upo. Hannah, say hi! Hannah, can you please wave? Hi! Thank you. Hi! Her ate is outside. So, I showed you this. I already throw some. I have to put this outside. Nakakaloka yung sa labas. Ano ko na lang yan. Kasi nakakahilo pag maraming kalat, no? Diyos me, ipapakita ko sa inyo kasi there's a girl here. She's going to bring free the goldfish, diba? Pero meron siyang snail. 3 daw yung snail. Tapos para naman sa kid yun. Pero pag kamatay, ayoko masisi. So, sasabihin ko sa papa nila, please, ikaw na lang mag-alaga kasi just in case. Ilalabas ko to, be. We're going to put this outside. Tapos, I'll show you the mabilis lang. The leaf, ito, garbage to, 3 plastic. Tapos, broom, at saka yung, dustpan. Hindi ko pa pin-open yung light, eh. Labas tayo. I'm going to show you the leaf kasi, di ba autumn, leaf are going down. Tapos the girl that will bring the fish, she said it's 5 o'clock. Ngayon, it's already 4:30. Tapos gusto kasi parang mananalo yung presidente na gusto ng papa nila sa election ngayon dun sa US. So sabi niya mag-celebrate daw ng pizza. Sabi ko, sige, sinigang sa akin, tsaka magluluto ako ng rice. Pero kung may choice ako, sopas o kaya yung gulay natin na dininding tsaka na fried fish. But I don't have the vegetable, just wala akong evaporated milk para sa sopas. So I was about to just make sinigang. Kaya lang, I still have to put the leaves in the garbage plastic. So I wanna do this first. So feeling ko pagod na ako. I'm tired, so I'm not going to I cannot take a video now kasi it's long time taking video. There will be say, di ba nasa loob ako ng base bin? Bakit kaya siya nag-video? Ang tagal. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo. I'll just show you fast the leaves. I'm going to put it in, open natin light. May light ba? Yun. Bag ni Hadassah. For school. Ito yung hat ni Hannah. Kasi it's turning cold, Outside, it's already like fridge. I'm wearing jacket now para lang magawa ko yun. When you're 5, 6 months, 7, 8, 9 months pregnant, it's heavy na. It's hard to work. Parang, na lang, little by little work. So, I'm really tired that time. So, ngayon, I can do that. Makaka-work pa ako. Pero pag it's snow, yung you need to, anong tawag nila doon? When you need to remove the snow, I think yung papa nila yung papagawin ko. Kasi pregnant ako, ayokong alam mo na, it's hard to move. Tsaka, when you sleep 5, 6 to 9 months, it's really very tiring. You don't know if you want to go straight. You always want to be on the side. So, mas heavier. It's hard to move. So, I'll show you the leaves, Parang siyang mini mountain. Ang taas niya, Ayan, Tapos ito pa. I-rake natin. Ito yung pang rake. Mabilis na yung video natin dito para hindi weird. Tsaka hindi pa night. So, hindi pa siya dark. So, ito yan. Then, I'm going to clean this up. Yung neighbor namin, medyo, hindi sila masyadong problema. Ito, using ko yan. Tapos, yung play area ni Hadassah and Hannah, medyo nagulo na naman. So, i-arrange ko ng konti para maayos. Kasi, whenever the kids play, yun nga. Alugbati, Alam mo pang gulay yan. Yung iba na yellow na. So, I wanna get it. This is the one that I told you. It's affordable, not expensive. Wreath lang. So, it's not really for Christmas, but I just want to put it here para may design. Pero, I'm going to use it until summer, tapos autumn next time. So, I'm not going to remove that anymore. Tsaka ito. Yan lang yung design kasi, para hindi magastos, kasi pagbili ng design, di ba? Yung ibang gamit nandoon sa Florida. So, ayoko nang magastos ng pera, Alam mo na yun. Okay, I'm going to just put it in a garbage. I think, hopefully, I can just make 3. Pero feeling ko sobra sa 3 yun, So, gawin muna natin habang I'm waiting for the fish that she's going to give. And Hadassah and Hannah will be surprised with that. Let's work first. So, yung hat. This is the hat outside. Of course, nalimutan na naman ni Hannah. Let's just put it here first. Ang daming leaf. My gosh. Did you saw the leaf? I'll take a video of it outside again, Tapos yung, alugbate, the leaf, the vegetable leaf, I wanna make it, kunin before magkaroon ng snow. Kaso, nalilimutan ko bukas, I have to fry fish, tapos lagay ko yun, vegetable. Dito si Hadassah. Tingnan mo sa dami ng leaf na kukunin. Ito, tignan mo, winalisan ko na siya, di ba? Saan Hadassah? Saan na siya? Saan si Hadassah? Hi! Okay. Ito yung mga leaf. Ayan pa ako kadami. Grabe, no? Gagawin ko muna yan. Pero, lang. 3 lang yung plastics ko, be. I have to fix this. Tignan mo yung shades ko. Si Hana. Cute talaga nito, be. Alam mo, actually, pag Christmas, you can put gold. Red. No? But, I think ito na lang muna. Kasi yung ibang decor, di ba, nasa US, kaya ayoko nang bumili. Kasi waste of money na naman. Tsaka oldie naman na ako, be. Hindi ko na kailangan ng madaming. Ibig sabihin, ano ba tawag doon? Mahalaga na lang sa akin food ng kids, tsaka yung mga kids, tsaka makatulong kay nanay, gano'n. Hindi ko na kailangan masyado ng mga material things. Dito natin nilagay. Tsaka andun na yun. So, yun na lang gagamitan ko. May pang autumn doon. Na andun sila. Kasi yung gamit sa Florida, ililipat siya sa northern part. Sa upper ng New York. So, doon, medyo malapit na tayo sa Jollibee. Paglipat natin. So, I'm going to work na. Dal-dal na naman. Wow! Ang dami pa, be. Grabe, so many. Sobra pa to sa 3 plastic. So, gagamitan natin ito. Ayun, malinis na. Ay, tinutulungan ako ng papa nila. Ito, liligpit ko rin to. Ang dami. Ayun, yung sa kapitbahay namin, konti lang sa kanila. Kasi ito, ano yung corner. Hi, that's her friend.
Pizza party.
Gusto ko talaga matanggal na to, be. Pero hindi to one day. Okay lang. Oh, diba? Ito malinis-linis na. Alright. Her friend. Okay, be, I'll show you, ha. My gosh. Bakit kaya wala pa yung girl na maghahatid ng fish? Kasi schedule niya. Grabe. Asan na si Hadasa? Ay, umalis na. Okay. Ito, oh. Thankfully, their papa helped me with the trash, yung boxes. Sa kanya na yan. Kasi timing, dumating siya galing sa trabaho. So, sabi ko, pakisuyo yung box. O, diba? Much better. I just have to put this in the garbage. Dito, sa plastic. Sige, tapusin natin. And I need to remove this too. Kinuha ko rin yung ibang side ng kapitbahay. But their work, there is not really many. Dito lang kasi dito yung may lift, tsaka dito yung corner. Pero maganda yung corner kasi malawak siya, be. Are you excited for goldfish? Yeah, but we have to be careful for that. The goldfish will not die. Ano pala to, be? They're playing with this. They jump on it. Kaya lang you have to be careful kasi it's not really so thick. Tapos ito, next time na to, be. Kasi it's really, really big, diba? I know. Hindi na kaya ng tummy ko. Kasi mararamdaman mo pag pagod na yung tummy mo. Pag preggy ka. So, ito, kailangan ko lang itong i-plastic. I'll just do this. That's her friend. She always play with her. Her house, diba dito yon? Her house is on the other side. So, very far. Doon pa, be. But they always play here, be. They're like close friends. Thankfully, they have a close friend. Hindi sila nagkakaaway at never sila nagkatampuhan. So, nakakatawa. Ang sweet. Ayan siya.
We're going to a mansion. Come on.
Parang gusto ko tuloy gawin kung Christmas to. Kasi ito lang yung decor dito. Alo, yung Christmas tree. Nakalimutan ko palang ilagay, be. I forgot to put the Christmas tree.
Thanks for watching. Take care.
Take care. Hi. She's still watching. What are you watching, Hannah? Show.
I'm watching Kayla.
Why you're not watching on the TV? She's having a snack, be. It's dark already. Ang bilis ng, mayroon ng, national anthem doon. 2 songs. So, tumakas ako, be. Tumakas ako kasi ayoko mag-national anthem kasi baka more than 5 minuto yun. I will just continue watching when the song is finished. Tumakas talaga yun. Ayan, oh. Sandali lang ang timing na iihipa ko, eh. Yes, I'm almost finished, be. Just have to put it in the trash bag. So, sige. Saan ba si Hadasa? She's here na, eh. Hadasa, you're here. Grabe, parang brown out dito, be, oh. Doon pa sila ni Shailene. Tingnan mo, they're super close friends. Magliligpit pa ako dito. I'll still fix. Parang brown out, no? Ito, oh. Food na ayusin. Ito pati, I have to put it inside. Nagwash na ako ng dishes. Madilim. Actually, hindi naman brown out. Basta natin ilaw. Ayan. So, hintayin ko muna kasi the song is being played. Tumakas muna ako. Ayoko. Parang parang tantaran, gaganon mo bago. Tapos pumasok muna ako. Hana. Malapit na tayo matapos sa work. Ayoko magsinigang be kasi magluluto na naman ako. Magsasaing pa ako. So sila magpipizza sila. So makikipizza na lang ako sa kanila. Thursday ngayon be. Ay, hindi. Wednesday pa lang ngayon. Wednesday pa lang ngayon. 2 days pa. Sa Friday ako mag-adobo kasi sila mag-sandwich. May dala yung iba. Hindi ako a-attend be kasi napapagod ako. Diba pag Friday lagi kami bumibiyahe kay Sis Leia. Is napapagod ako be. Ay, kay Hana to, meron siyang lollipop dito. Ito pang bowling to be. Parang board game. Tapos ito yung sa New Hampshire. Flowers. So, napapagod ako ngayon. So, hindi mo na ako sasama sa kanila this Friday. Ayan, be, malapit na, be. She's coming, she said. Meron tayong dito. Hi! They're hanging out the play area. The fish is coming, she said.
As fast as we could.
Because the song is being played.
No.
Did you sing the song? Nasa labas sila eh. Tumakas ako, be. Tagalog pa rin. Hindi tayo
Songs before.
pag tumatakas ako, Tagalog. Pero pag hindi, yeah, English konti. Ito kasi kapag ka-summer, kahit ano lang, di ba? Ay, pwedeng lagyan flowers na plastic, pero yung colorful. Tapos pag autumn naman, orange or red. Yun, ganon. Tapos kapag ka Christmas, red, tsaka yung gold or green, di ba? Tsaka yellow. Diyan na yung fish. Excited na sila. Dasa. Here! She's excited. Hi!
See ya.
Thank you.
The fish tank is in here. Everything has been cleaned. There's a new filter and stuff in there. I do have a big filter that goes with it, but I was using just the one that goes with her aerator.
Yeah, that's how me and my sister named it.
So you guys can get anything you need from the VMC that's by Yokomachi. You can get everything that you need from there.
Yeah,
Where
the
she's been looking at fish the last several weeks.
Yes.
How long is this fish like
How they
months?
live?
Yeah.
Quite a while. Goldfish are very hardy fish. So
Like is this like months already? or-
we've had it for what?
Like, not,
2 years?
Not a year now.
No, maybe almost a year.
Almost a year. Yeah. It was like, oh my gosh, what if the fish is like years already?
Oh no.
Because before I had mistake and my goldfish died, but that now she will take care. Yeah. who took care? Did you?
I
take
did,
care?
yes.
Wow, you're very good. So Mina, I'm like, no, he will take care so that the fish is safe.
Okay, awesome.
What's the
All
name
good.
of the fish?
Hi, what did you name her?
Apple.
Apple.
Abo.
It's like apple, but the peas are replaced with bees. Yeah.
Ah, they're so cute.
Apple.
Yeah, we're sad, but you know, DCS things. So
Oh yeah.
it happens.
Does she eat breakfast in the morning like that?
She would feed her just in the morning.
Just in the morning?
Yeah,
Okay.
And sometimes at night.
If she forgot to feed her during the day. But
Just a little bit.
just a little pinch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you hear this, Hadassah? It's just one pinch in the morning. Because my mom said, maybe overfeed the fish, that's why. So he will just take care.
Yeah, because goldfish will eat. They will eat. No matter how full they are, they will eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to watch how you feed
Okay.
them.
Yeah, but with the filter, I'm sure she's going to be good.
Wait, there's also
Like I said, there is
sea
another-
snails in there too.
Yeah, and they don't.
Oh yes, I
They
see
don't
them.
have babies, so you don't have to worry about them like multiplying. Thank goodness. But there is, like I said, a filter in there. But I also have the big filter, so you can use either one. You just have to get filters for it. So
Thank
you're
you.
welcome.
Are you moving after March?
We leave. We'll be out of here in March,
Oh, March. Oh, okay.
so we're right around the corner.
Are you excited to be in America again?
Yes and no. We're gonna miss Japan. Miss their ramen.
Yeah. Just enjoy. Just enjoy the few. You still have to. It's still long time. March is still long time. So just enjoy while you're here.
Yeah.
And
You
then
guys just get here.
We've been for
one
about a
year.
year.
Oh, you been here? Okay. That's awesome. All right, baby, you ready? Here we go.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. We'll take good care of her.
Okay. Thank you.
We will take good care of her. Don't worry.
She's Apple. Apple. Ayun, Apple. Let's look at Apple, be. Apple pala. Kala ko Apple. Hadassah is so happy. Ayoko. I will not take care because the fish might die sa akin. Ayun! Goldfish! Oh! Still alive? Yeah, so
We can
cute.
bring her inside.
Just once in the morning so that not overfed. She has a stuff. They're moving sa March bed. That's why. Oops. May snail. Pero yung sa akin kasi dati, be, namatay sa akin yung fish. Sabi ni Hannah, for real?
Apple.
Ito yung ano niya, stuff. Diba? Nakakatawa. Kasi nag-worry siya, be. Kasi walang may nag-oo. 1 month ago, nag-post na siya sa online na sino yung family na gusto. Sabi ko, ay, gusto ko yan. Free. Meron din dati, free din. 4 naman yun. Malaki yung tank niya, be. Ano to, be? Alagayin niya. Maganda may filter. Hindi ko siya papaka-ano. They will be the one to feed. Kasi ayoko ma-blame pag namatay yung fish. Tignan natin. Happy yung dalawa.
This is what she's doing. She smells.
Wow, she's apple pala. Kala ko apple.
What should we name her? She already has a name. Oh, Apple. Oh yeah.
It's apple. She said
Yeah, that's what I
apple.
She said it's like apple, but with a B instead of a P.
Ah, really? Tawagin ko na ng cutie pie. Can I call her cutie pie? Ooh, she's super, super big. Parang puputok na yung tiyan niya. Busog siya. She's so full. Okay.
We have yes.
Fish tank.
Yung dati, babe, di ba nag-video ako dati ng fish? Napatay yun. Alam nga namang i-video ko na namatay.
That's big enough.
Malungkot yung part na yun eh.
For Apple.
Be careful.
Might be 2 or 3 gallons.
Apple the fish.
How cute! Diyos ko, ba napagod ako kakawalis dun. Walang katapusan. Oh, ayan na yung fish.
Her name's Apple.
You like it?
She's my pet fish.
Yours and Hannah. Share.
I got it from mine.
Alright, sharing is caring. It's for Hadassah and Hannah.
It's
Wow,
my
so
fish.
cute. I'll name her. What's the
She
name?
has a name. Apple.
Oh, I know, but you know what's cute name? Kaylee.
We're naming her
Kaylee, cutie
Apple.
pie.
Her name is Apple.
Hi, Kaylee. Okay, for you it's Apple, and then I'll call her Kaylee Nay Nay. Nay. Ay, hindi pala baka makapanood to ni Miss. Si Miss, Dusty. I'm just
On that
joking.
farm, he had a horse. E-I-E-I-O.
Oh, so
With a
cute.
yang yang.
What's the name of the snails?
Mm.
Oh, there's
Shelly?
this.
Shelly?
You know, in
Sheldon.
Philippines, we cook it in coconut milk.
Oh. Shelly, Sheldon, and Shower.
The snails in Philippines, we cook it, the snail, like I can buy a fish,
Shelly,
tapos I'm going to put
Shelbert,
coconut
and
milk, sauteed and garlic and onion, and then I'm going to add that snails. 3 snails.
Shelly, Shelbert, and...
What are we going to do when we move house? Who's going to take care of them? Then I'll just cook these 3 snails.
No!
I'm just joking. Do you want to eat?
No!
That's your baby. With coconut milk, Hannah. I'm just...
Look, that snail's totally magic.
It's funny.
Yeah.
It's so funny. Ang cute. Pet palang snails. I didn't know that snails are pets.
They're
Nakakatawa.
sea snails.
Oh,
That one's
are
starting
they?
to move.
There are some like rice field snails
Mom, look,
in
that
Philippines.
that one's moving.
Yeah, they're cute. They we cook them in coconut milk. It's
Those
really
that
sarap.
are delicious.
Masarap. Gusto ko pa nga yung snail. There's snail that's like the unicorn what's that called, be? Horn.
That one's
Pointed.
really hatching.
Then they are black. Then you cook them in coconut milk. Oh, ang sarap talaga,
Shelly,
be.
wake up!
Miss ko na yung snails.
That's it. Shelly's already awake. Yeah, I'm
We're going to move this be sa house niya.
Oh, she blew us a
Papa na lang nila maglilipat. Pagod na ako magwalis. Gusto ko na lang magluto pero wala naman akong evaporated milk para sa sopas kasi ako yung nag-crave ngayon ng Philippine food. Kahit dinengdeng yung sauteed vegetable natin. Basta yung gulay natin or pinakbet. Tsaka fried fish. Di ba? Ang sarap. Wala. Tas pinaka naglilihi ako, be. I'm craving for lechon. But lechon is hard to make. There's one that you will brine. You will put it in water na may salt. Kaso lang,
on top of her?
medyo matagal yun, be, overnight yun. Kung in a rush, pwede rin yung pork belly, tas yung, yung mga ingredients. Tapos, kailangan ko lemongrass, wala akong lemongrass. Pero sa US or kaya sa abroad, kung walang lemongrass, pwede ka rin gumamit ng yung herbs na magkahalo. Tapos si rosemary, yung Italian herbs, pwede rin siguro yun. Plus rosemary, kasi napakasarap ng rosemary. Wala akong lemongrass. So, maybe, if I will make, I will just do that one without brining it. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko siya ibababad sa fridge. Ano lang, on the spot. Tapos, ilalagay mo na lang siya sa oven. Pero, ewan ko kung kailan pa yun, be. Kasi, ano yun 2 to 3 hours yun na pagluto sa oven. So, medyo matagal. So, kaya hindi ko nagagawa. So, I'll just make ano na lang siguro, pork chop. O kaya yung sisig natin. Kasi you can just cook it. Parang ganon. Pwede rin grill. Tapos, ano na, recipe. Ayan, be. I'll just finish my work outside para tapos na tayo. Tapos ngayon, uupo ako dito. Ito yung laptop. Itong area na to, kailangan ko iligpit yan, be. Dito ako nakaupo madalas. Yan. Sila, nag-aagawan sila dito ng papa nila. Pero minsan nakatabi sa akin si Hadassah at Hannah dyan. So, ligpit natin siya. Tapos, mag-online din ako, mga 20 to 30 para madami yung bago natin ngayon. Thank you pala, naging 100 yung 1 hour. Thank you so much, we love you. Take care, okay? We love you, have a great day and great week. Thank you so much pag 100 ng 1 hour. Nag-upload ulit ako, be. Try ko kaya, be, 3 times a week. Kasi pag ginawa ko, hindi na ako makakalagay ng song. So, baka 2 times a week lang. Thank you so much for watching, ha. Take care, everyone. We love you. Kunin ko yung lollipop ni Hannah. Nilagay niya na naman dito, be. Pizza! Yay! Let's eat! So hungry. Ng pizza ni Hadassah. Ito manipis. Ayoko to, be. Ito gusto. Yan. Ito gusto ko. Let's eat. So good. Be careful. It's a little bit hot. Ang sarap na ito, be, yung combo. Hindi ko kasi sinabi. Hannah, come on, let's eat. Hannah Rose. Be, ang sarap. Grabe, minsan lang to. Nag-crave ako, hindi pala ako nag-crave, pero sarap, diba? Hindi to healthy, pero paminsan lang. Kain tayo. Dito ako sa laptop. Manonood tayo, be. Grabe talaga. Sometimes spicy to, be. Meron palang sili rito, be. Ano nga yun, autumn? Ito. Yan. Spicy. Yum. Ang asim, be. Kailangan mag-water. Pag bago lang yung pregnancy, hindi ako nag-vinegar, tsaka maasim, tsaka sinigang, tinitiis ko ng 1 to 2 months kasi para safe yung baby. One day mag-vlog ako sa inyo ng what I eat to take care. What? Hannah, dito na lang. You can remove that if you like. Do you want cheese pizza?
Table.
Gusto ni Hannah ang cheese pizza, be. Pwede pa lang half and half sa Pizza Hut. Say cheers to Sissy. Cheers! Let's eat! Kain na rin tayo, be. Kain na. Dito lang tayo kasi manunood ng movie. Manunood ako sa laptop, be. Ito maganda sa nung magkaiba yung phone at saka yung TV kasi you can just watch kahit anong gusto mo. So mag-online ako tsaka manonood ako sa movie. Kain muna, let's eat. Oh my god. Ito yung masarap cheese pizza. Be, ayan o, kaya nagpa-pizza. Buti na lang election pizza. Napalibre tayo ng pizza. Cheers!
I forgot.
Sarap. Masarap itong may ketchup. Let's eat. Take care. Have a great day. We love you. Oh, ito na yung house niya, be. This is going to be the fish house. But right now, it's still cold. And this is included on the freebie that she gave away, baby. She was really concerned if where their fish will go because other families are not other girls are not hindi siya nagre-reply sa kanya. Ang ganda pala. This is big, babe. The other one that was offering me was 3 months ago. He is male, tapos he's going to go back to America. We're now here in Japan, diba? But I forgot yung Saturday schedule. So he has so big, he said, siguro ganun, long. And then there's 4 fish there, but I forgot. This one is cute too. There are a lot of girls that's giving away kasi they will go back to America and nobody will take care of their fish since the kids love it and probably will be here in Japan for 2 years or 3 years. Kaya, ayan, dito pa. Yung nakaraan na ano be, yung fish bowl, namatay kasi walang ganyan. Tsaka, ayoko nang mag-alaga kasi just in case, I don't wanna be blamed pag may nangyari sa fish. So, yeah, she's going to be here first kasi wala namang cat dito. There's no cat here. So, she'll be fine here. And then, her water is this one from the house where she came. Ayun. This is a warm water. So, this is going to be warmed up first tonight. Tapos, tomorrow, okay na siya. And we'll put the fish here. Have a great day and great week. Take care. We love you. Usapin natin siya, be. Ang cute niya, no? Alam mo, malungkot siya. 'Di ba? Kasi snails lang. Thankfully, she have snails with her. Kaya, kasi mura lang to, be, sa DCM. DCM parang their fish, ano nga ba tawag doon? Fishes that they're selling. So, I think we're also getting the same size kasi if it's smaller fish, they will fight and they will fight over food. So we're going to get a size as same size as this fish. Tapos since they don't give birth ba tawag doon? They don't get pregnant. At yun lang ang tanong ko, baka male fish yun, tas baka biglang ma-pregnant to. Kapag may kasama siya, di ba hindi mo alam kung male fish yun or female? Well, anyway, get one fish kasama siya para may friend siya na kasama. Pero, kapag nanganak siya, be, if she will give birth, this is not super big. Ilang siya? 1, mga, kulang-kulang 2 dangkal. Dito na lang siya, be. Dapat, it was supposed to be there, yung parang, doon, left side ng door. Merong cabinet, diba? But, not na lang kasi mas lungkot siya. Kasi, usually, dito ako sa living room. Kids and I are always here in the living room. So, para happy siya, nakikita niya rin ako minsan, diba? I had betta fish before. Kaso, ang betta fish, hindi mo malalagyan ng kahit ano. Kailangan siya lang mag-isa. Nilagyan ko lang ng mirror para parang feeling niya may kasama siya. Ang ginagawa niya, inaano niya yung mirror, binabump niya yung sarili niya. Kala niya kalaban niya yun. Ewan ko sa betta fish. Mas maganda pa ang goldfish, be. Pero alam mo, ang goldfish, kagaya nito, ito yung old water niya. So, safe siya dito. Kasi hindi to warm. Alam mo, hindi maingay to, be. Paano kaya to? Hindi niya nalagay. Parang hindi to iinit. Nalimutan ng papa nila i-on. Kaso maingay to, be. Pag inon, yung machine maingay. Para daw mag-warm. Be, wala akong idea sa mga ganyan. Lalo na sa may ganyan. Anong tawag dito, be? Hindi ko rin alam. So, I don't have idea what's the called. This one. Nakalimutan ko. Kanina sinabi ko yun nung kausap ko siya kasi sinabi niya, cute ng plant, no? Cute talaga niya. 2 types. 1 flowery, 1 like grass. Pagka nandiyan na siya, masaya na siya kasi para ng bahay niya, no? Ang sarap lagyan ng pink and red dito sa gilid. Next time na. Sana pag may kasama siya, hindi siya mabuntis kasi pag nabuntis siya, bigla ko dadami to. Baka more than 10 to 20 na. Hindi sila kasya dun sa ganito eh. Ayan. Have a great night. We love you.
Let's eat. There you go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Take care every day. We love you. We love you.